the living council. That's the living council.
Yeah, and that is why I said, and let me tell you, that's why I made the Yoruba Bankole and Smith, Baba's lawyer, but they were looking for freebies. They were looking for free lawyer, pro bono. I said to Muyiwa, Gedegbe, I said 150 per every appearance, and it was right here on this Papariano's platform, December 2023. Wait now. Now I said 150 times 10 is 15 million. It was aristocrats that said no, it is 1.5 million, because that means by the 10 appearances they will have spent 1.5 million. And in this case, there are going to be a lot of appearances. We did not even know then that inquest would be once a month. We were expecting inquest to be at least a minimum of twice or every weekly. So you see, situation right now, they are ending up paying even more than Smith and Bankole. And this was a conversation I had earlier. Yes.
Now let's talk about our
Thank you.
You went to meet a lawyer who offered his own service of pro bono. And then you are bringing in two persons, another lawyers, to represent you on pro bono. If I say I don't want Odumosu again, it means those two, I don't want them.
Of course.
It's a free legal service which can be withdrawn anytime or can be stopped anytime.
What you are saying now, if it is true, that's what I said. If what you are saying is valid, Shitu should pen down that and Baba Mohbad should sign it.
Please, it is valid. Please, it is valid. You are pretending as if you don't know it is valid. Aries, you are pretending as if you don't know that a lawyer Eniyan Osoro is on pro bono. Please, it is valid. And you know quite well. Please spare me, please.
They should send it to Odumosu now. But they themselves know it's not germane.
Tell Odumosu to lock out to me.
What am I showing to the courts?
We're not going to get anywhere with this because Mr. Yomi, yes, we're not privy to what happened initially.
Listen, let me say something. In May, when after they have contracted Shitu was absent in court one day. Odumosu representative or chamber was there. Odumosu's chamber has never missed a court appearance one day.
Okay, Supreme. If by any means the owner offering free legal service wish to withdraw his own service that I don't want to represent you again, what will be the financial implication?
You see, what you have to look at the ethical aspect of this thing, and I'm telling you one thing now. But let me quickly say something, and so we can move on from this topic. You see, this is the second time. So Baba has been through this lane before. The first lawyer, David Fadile, was pro bono. Okay? When Baba fired him.
Down question here. Down Aries.
Muyiwa fired him. He brought a bill of 850,000 naira. Okay?
Of what?
Yeah, termination fee, whatever fee they call it. Please do not interject me. Let me land so you can have a background information. So let me land so you can have a background information. Baba has been through this.
Mumbo Ejo.
Lane before. Okay? Now, when that incident happened, Odumosu could not take the file. Odumosu is a lawyer. He didn't say no, that is unethical. He was a pro bono. He shouldn't charge you. Odumosu himself agreed that it is unethical and there are fees they have to pay. They should please go and settle with him before he can assume the case. Okay, so Baba was educated. When you were borrowed Baba $400, Baba could not pay the money. Ada Universe paid it. Now, this.
See, let me just tell you one thing, Aries. You see this Ada Universe paid it. Ada Universe, Baba, the other lawyer. He said he wants to collect 100,000 kiniko. Was it because the other lawyer said he wanted to collect 800,000 then? That was the reason why Eniyan Soro came up with 9 million naira. I don't get it. Or are you trying to sell Ada Universe to us? Let me tell you. Let me just be sincere. Let me be blunt. We are not ready for anything Ada Universe. Imran Smith, we are not ready for Imran Smith. Please. And we will be kicking against it. We will be working against it. I will be working against it. And the rest of the justice seekers. Okay? We will be working against anything at that universe, anything Imran Smith. We don't want them. Imran Smith brought us to where we are today on the part of the Corona inquest. We don't want them. As a matter of fact, how can you be foreman on the law field? Foreman. Àtìgbà tèmi ti mọ̀. Lawyers, they woman ní specific field. Woman ní specific field. Do you understand? Specific field ni wọ́n máa ń ní olúkálùkù. Maybe you are for gas and oil, you are for maritime kinikan, you are for land and kinikan, all those things. I don't know. You know, all those fields. Olúkálùkù pẹ̀lú field there. Now, let me just let me just stop this thing. So let's go to what I was telling you. Hi. Hi.
They gave something for treasure.
Okay, it's okay.
Also from we did not even know.
Let me go there, okay? Let me go there. Now, you know that Imran Smith and Bankole, let me just say Imran Smith, okay? Imran Smith is in Nigeria, okay? Wahab Shitu is in Nigeria. Both of them are in Nigeria. Please, go to your rooms. Hello. Yeah. Imran Smith is in Nigeria. Then Sanshitu is in Nigeria. But Eniyan Soro is in UK. So Eniyan Soro tried to follow the excuse. Stand up. What? Please, I'm so sorry. Ẹ má bínú. Ó tún ti distract nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe nísìn báyẹn.
No, then that inquest will be once a...
I'm so sorry for the break in transmission. So what I was trying to say is that Eniyan Soro lives in UK, Sam Shitu lives in Nigeria, and Imran Smith also lives in Nigeria. Do you understand? Eniyan Soro, ṣó ti yé yín, Eniyan Soro ó reduce field there to one field. Do you understand? Because he lives in UK. Eniyan Soro reduce the field there to one, only one. Ṣó ti yé yín? Because that's how it operates here. Bó ti ṣe operate nìyẹn, you must stay on your field. You don't need to be Jack Robinson. You must not be I don't mo ti gbàgbé nǹkan tó máa ń pè kíní yẹn. You must not be a foreman in the law industry. Why must you be a foreman? Ìwọ nìkan ni law of marine of gas and oil. Ìwọ nìkan ni lawyer of land and properties. Ìwọ nìkan ni kíní kan ó tó bí mẹ́rin. Jack of all trades. Thank you so much. Jack of all trades. Thank you so much. Mẹ́rin for field ni ó wá hadi ó wá ra join ni criminal ó join ẹ̀ sí ó ní criminal was the last one to join mọ́ lábẹ́. Ìwọ nìkan. And when I read his profile last year, kò sí anything criminal níbẹ̀. Ẹ̀rí tí mo jáde wá tí mo wá pariwo pé property lawyer ni. Ṣebẹ́gbọ́n, you knew when I came out then to yes, Jack of all trades, thank you so much. I quickly came out to come and say this man is a property lawyer. Ẹ lọ sórí Google, type his name, Imran Smith, lawyer in Nigeria. Ẹ type ẹ rí ibi tán ti asterisks, wọ́n ti cancel, wọ́n ti delete àwọn kankan, wọ́n asterisks ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Ṣó ti yé yín? Now let me show you. So I now went to link there. Ibẹ̀ mo ti gbé kíní wọn síta. Ibẹ̀ mo ti gbé síta. Facebook, I will show you too. Mo máa gbé sí Facebook no. But I posted it on Tolani Ilesanmi. You can as well go there. Let me show you what I'm saying. Okay. Now, this is Eniyan Soro. No, Imran Smith. Sure, no, the first one. Okay. This is Imran Oluwole Smith. Ṣó ti yé yín? That is him. Imran Oluwole Smith. Sure, you understand? Now, let's go to okay, 30 years in law practice with experience in general civil litigation, land matters, commercial law and international commercial arbitration, maritime law, ṣé ti yé yín, oil and gas law, criminal law and human rights. Ṣé ti yé yín, jack of all trades. How? Make it make sense, Imran Smith. Make it make sense. Just make it make sense. How can you be jack of all trades? Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ ká ná. What under? Land matters, civil litigation 2, commercial law and international commercial arbitration 3, maritime law 4, oil and gas law 5, criminal law and human rights. Ṣé 6 kọ́ nìyẹn? Ṣé 6 kọ́ nìyẹn? Gàrí ẹ̀wà àgbàdo gbogbo ẹ̀ ní àjẹpọ̀ ní rice and beans lawyer tátún lélẹ̀. Okay, Wahab Shitu, ẹja ka Wahab Shitu. all these ones ẹja fi first paragraph lẹ̀. Let's go to the second, no, second paragraph ní kíní yẹn wà ní. No, third, let's go to third paragraph. Third paragraph. We offer a wide range of legal services which include corporate and commercial, litigation, okay, employment and labor law, debt recovery, criminal defense, energy and power and lots. Okay, so titi wọn náà nìyẹn, ṣó ti yé yín, that is titi wọn. Ṣé rí pé títorí pé Nàìjíríà náà wà, they are able to malpractice gbogbo branches yẹn. They have all the branches. Wọ́n practice gbogbo kinní yẹn nínú gbogbo wọn ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀ because Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n wà. Now this is Taiwo Odumosu. Taiwo Odumosu teaches law at the Faculty of Law, Olabisi Onabanjo University. His current research is in public health law, interacting with the comparative regulation of organ transplant in Nigeria and Europe. Ṣé rí pé abirùn ni law títí wọn. Ṣé rí pé abirùn. Ṣé rí pé law of àwọn abirùn ní títí wọn àbí kí ló ń jẹ́ ìyẹn. Ṣé àwọn abirùn kan ni wọ́n ń tọ́jú ni wọ́n ń ṣe kéèsì wọn. Kọfí wọ́n ní gbé ẹjọ́ tó bá ṣáà ti gbé mi ẹjọ́ o máa open GoFundMe ẹjọ́ ṣó ti yé yín tó bá ti gbé mi mo máa open GoFundMe torí èmi ò máa gbóyìnbó yìnbó ni ẹ má bínú ó yẹ kéèyàn máa gbóyìnbó ẹja túkà wọ́n ní his current research is in public health. Please underline that word. Public health. His current research. Ṣé rí pé profile wọn gan kò kún tó àwọn méjì yẹn. Ṣé mọ̀ pé SAN, you know that those two people, those Imran Smith and San Shitu, their SAN. Ṣé rí pé profile ẹ̀ kò wà kún bá SAN tó ti àwọn méjì yẹn. Ti rí pé eléyìí kàn ṣe research lẹ́ ń gbá. Ẹ wá wo sensitive case sí tí Odumosu lọ gbà. Odumosu ṣó yẹ kó lọ gba sensitive case yẹn Odumosu. Mò ń bèrè ní o, ṣé ìbéèrè òfàjà ìgbà wa lọ máa fẹjọ́ mi sùn sí yìí o. Ṣé ìbéèrè òfàjà wọ́n research ló yìí ń ṣe. You are still a student. Yes, you are still a student. You are still making research. Ó nìyẹn bó tún ní ṣé ó tún ti lọ. You see public health law, interacting with the comparative regulation of organ transplant. Ṣé rí àwọn tó máa ń yọ organ nìyẹn o. Àwọn tó máa ń yọ organ. Àwọn tó máa ń yọ organ. Yes.
2, 3, 4.
Àwọn tó máa ń yọ organ transplant, àwọn organ transplant tó máa ń yọ ọkàn lọ́kàn nìyẹn. Ṣó ti yé yín research yẹn òun ni wọ́n lọ ṣe ní Olabisi Onabanjo. In fact wọ́n ò tẹ̀ tí kọ́ pé wọ́n practice. Let's read it further. Wọ́n ní pé ẹjọ́ gan pọ̀ jù. The comparative regulation of organ transplant in Nigeria and Europe. He has worked in legal aspects of sustainable development and a member of the Center of Bioethics and Human Dignity USA and other wọn tí kọ criminology síbẹ̀ o àti rí criminology USA and other professional associations. He is a PhD candidate at the University of Nicosia Nicosia, Cyprus, and on Erasmus placement in Italy. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ṣé ti bá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Ṣó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Ṣó ti yé ṣé ti rí? Wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n ti practice in anywhere. Wọ́n ti practice. Ẹ̀yin wá lọ gba iṣẹ́ tó wà sensitive bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí kì bá ń ṣe ojú kòkòrò náà pé kò sí other word. Let us be factual, please. Let's be factual. Ojú kòkòrò ni wọ́n ń pè yẹn. Tí ìṣiṣẹ́ níbì kankan tí ìrìbí tí ìrí kéèsì wọ́n sọ pé ti ṣe kéèsì kankan. Ẹ̀yin ẹ wo profile àwọn SAN yìí, ẹ wo profile wọn. Tí ṣe kéèsì wọ́n béèrè pé kéèsì wo lẹ ṣe mà lè dáhùn. Wọ́n béèrè pé kéèsì wo lẹ ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ máa sọ kéèsì tẹ́ ṣe. Tó bá yẹ máa wá mi káàkiri máa ní torí kànfí ó lẹ́yìn ṣe fẹ́ gba 9 million naira. Kànfí ṣé ẹ fẹ́ máa fún mi nínú 9 million ṣá? Ṣé máa fún mi nínú 9 million? You are not involved. You are not, in fact, you are not even near anything criminal, anything. Nothing. You are not even involved in all those things. Àwọn abirùn náà lẹ́ẹ̀ máa ń gé heart àwọn tí heart wọn bá ti ṣe kínní yọ heart wọn transplant sínú another kínní wọ́n ní àwọn law yẹn àwọn law àwọn tó bá ti ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn you are àwọn tó bá ti ṣe ọkàn lọ́kàn tó bá ti ṣì gé tó bá ti ṣì transplant ẹ̀yin náà máa pè pé kẹwàá dá ẹjọ́ yẹn ẹ̀yin náà máa pè kẹwàá dá ẹjọ́ yẹn. Ṣé kéèsì Mohbad ṣó jọ organ transplant ni? Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o ṣé ìbéèrè òfàjà? Mo ní ṣé ìbéèrè òfàjà? Ṣé ẹjọ́ Mohbad kéèsì Mohbad ṣó jọ organ transplanting? Oh my God. Kànfí ọba yẹn wà lẹ́gbọ̀ọ́yìnbó. Oh my God. No, jokes apart. Ènìyàn ṣòro kò yẹ kí you are not even supposed to be found in fact you are not supposed to be found in the environment Mohbad at all. Kí ló ń wá ń bẹ̀? Mo ní kí ló ń wá? Health law ni wọ́n lọ kọ́. Health law ló lọ kọ́ bí àwọn abirùn bí àwọn nǹkan kan bóyá tó bá lẹ́ni tó na abirùn tó bá lẹ́ni tó bú abirùn tó bá lẹ́ni tó mọ̀ọ́ká abirùn ẹ̀yin náà máa wá pé kẹ́ wá dájọ́ yẹn. So kí lẹ wá lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ murder case? Kí lẹ lọ ṣe nídìí murder case? No, tell me, kí lẹ lọ ṣe nídìí murder case? Kí lẹ lọ ṣe ń bẹ̀? Àwọn tí wọ́n bá búlì abirùn bóyá àwọn tí wọ́n bá na abirùn irú sìn báyìí ẹjọ́ ìmọ̀ àti PS ẹ̀yin ló yẹ ká pè sí. Ẹjọ́ ìmọ̀ àti PS ẹ̀yin ló yẹ ká pè. Kí lẹ lọ wá nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad? Kí lẹ lọ wá ń bẹ̀? Ènìyàn ṣòro. No, kí ló lọ wá ń bẹ̀? Ó lè jù mí lọ, ṣó fẹ́ jù mí lọ ni? No, ṣó fẹ́ jù mí lọ gbàgbé pé bóyá kí n máa ń lo gbà wá lọ máa fẹjọ́ mi sùn pé mò ń bú ẹ. I'm asking you question. Ẹjọ́ abirùn àwọn bíi health kìíní kan àwọn tó bá ní challenges bá tí wọ́n fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ wọ́n ṣe kìíní kan wọ́n búlì kìíní ìwọ náà máa pè. So ṣó jọra wọn ní ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ lọ́rọ̀. Ènìyàn ṣòro ó ti kọjá ìyí ẹ. Erisi dẹ̀ ń defend ẹ. Erisi dẹ̀ máa jáde ó ní máa ní I don't have anything to do with Odumosu nìkan. And it's not good. Truth be told. I should blame Muyiwa. Ebi máa blame Muyiwa lóòótọ́ ni. I must blame him. Máa blame Muyiwa. I have blamed him. Because ó yẹ kí Muyiwa yẹ kó wá ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dáadáa ó yẹ kó tanná fín ìdí kókò. Ó yẹ kó wá fín ìdí kókò. Ẹni tí ó lè wá sí Nàìjíríà ṣó tiẹ̀ gba document ẹ̀? Are you even bothered to check ènìyàn ṣòro's document nílùú yìí kán tó lè ṣe anything fún yín báyìí? Wọn ò ní béèrè question, mú document ẹ̀ wá ní ike ẹ̀yẹn o gbúdọ̀ fún wọn. O wá fẹ́ gba sensitive case bí eléyìí. Ṣé Múyìwá ṣé o ṣe photocopy document ẹ̀ fún Múyìwá ni? Ṣé o ṣe photocopy document ẹ̀ fún Múyìwá kó lè fi mọ̀ bóyá lóòótọ́ you can travel to Nigeria? Nǹkan táwọn òyìnbó tán ṣe ní ọpọlọ jù wá lọ nìyẹn. Òyìnbó ní ọpọlọ, they don't base their this thing on assumption or on leniency or on emotions. They don't. Bó ṣe rí ló ṣe máa ṣe rí. Okay, ó fẹ́ gbaṣẹ́, okay, anything báyìí, anything, wàá mú document ẹ wá. Ṣé wọ́n gba document ẹ? I'm very sure pé wọ́n gba document. Múyìwá, tí o bá gba document, tí mo bá gbọ́ pé o gba document ènìyàn ṣòro, kó o ṣe photocopy ẹ̀, kó o ní photocopy document ènìyàn ṣòro, wọ́n gan wàá gbà. O gba document ènìyàn ṣòro kó o mọ̀ bóyá ó máa lè lọlé àbí kò lè lọlé. Odidi kéèsì Mohbad lẹ wá fi tàfàlà, lẹ fi sentiment tẹ fi bàjẹ́ bí eléyìí. Ní lọ́ọ̀yà abirùn, lọ́ọ̀yà tó yẹ pé abirùn kéèsì abirùn ló máa ń treat. Kéèsì abirùn ó ní ènìyàn ṣòro máa ń treat. Kéèsì abirùn ni ènìyàn ṣòro máa ń treat. Health lawyer àbí èwo tún ni health lawyer? Èwo ni health lawyer? Kò tiẹ̀ sí single pé bóyá anything, pé bóyá ta bá já o, tèmà tẹnìkan bá já o, tó bá ń gbá mi tó tíbẹ̀ wú o, mo lè lọ pé lọ́ọ̀yà o. Kò tẹ̀ sí kankan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn níbẹ̀ nínú profile yín. Dépò pé Wùmí ó pa Mohbad sínú ilé gbà, ẹ ṣàyà gbàgbà. Wọ́n with God, lọ́ọ̀yà tó ń ṣe kéèsì abirùn, òun ló mú wọlé. Wọ́n with God. Ẹ wá máa sọ̀rọ̀, ṣé rò pé mo kó yín jẹ ni? I no see you. Ẹ wá ń fi kéèsì family. Ẹ wá ń fi kéèsì Mohbad ẹ fi ń ṣe ọ̀nkù tí káàkiri. Wọ́n with God. Ẹ wá fi ń ṣe family. Ṣó lè ṣe ọmọ tí ṣó lè ṣó tó lọ́ọ̀yà tó ń treat kéèsì abirùn kó gbé wá sínú criminal? Asking you, ṣó lè kó wá lọ gba criminal case? Ẹ̀yin ìkà burúkú yìí. Ènìyàn ṣòro, tí ẹ̀sùn, kì í ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà, you are not of criminality. Wọ́n ní ò ṣe research. You are a researcher. Ó wá fi kéèsì Mohbad. Àti kẹ́rọ mẹ́rọ. Kí doctor kan check ẹ̀, wọ́n wá lọ gbé nurse. Nǹkan tí ènìyàn ṣòro fi kéèsì Mohbad ṣe. Kéèsì Mohbad ṣe nìyẹn. Ẹ lọ fi ń gbá rìsá, lọ fi ń gbá ó sún àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá ò jìnnà sí kóòtù. Ó ti débi. Sue me. Kí n sọ pé kí Sátánì fi ìgbésí ayé yín kó fi gbá researcher. Wọ́n ní researcher nìyí. Ẹ wá ń fi Mohbad ẹ fi ń gbá research. Ìkà ní ìkà. Ó ṣojú hóíhóí. Onígbàǹsíkí ọ̀ràn. Wá ẹ wá dúró kéèsì. Ẹ wá abájọ kí ló mọ̀ abájọ máa yóò mọ̀ kankan, gbogbo information pátá gbogbo àfi bí pé àfi in fact Aries gan ló tún máa put ẹ̀ too. You don't need it on one gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. This is just rubbish. Ṣòro àti wọ́n with God. Ẹ wá ń fi òkú Mohbad ẹ wá fi ń gbá research. Ọlọ́run ọba máa bi ẹ̀yin méjèèjì. Wòyí mú ìwà tí mo bá gbọ́ pé ẹ gba dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì lásán ẹ kàn fi egbò ṣe egbò lé. I will comment my reserve. Kì í ṣe mú ìwà wà ń bẹ ṣé fámú ìwà wà ń bẹ. No, ẹ̀yin náà wò náà just to do experiment. Èrìsà kì í ṣe òòtẹ̀ kì í ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà gidi gan. Òun ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà gidi. Okay, káàtẹ̀ gbà pé I don't know. Anything but ẹjọ́ tó rọ lọ ẹjọ́ ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà gidi. With what you have read ẹjọ́ ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà gidi ni. Ẹjọ́ ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà gidi ni. No, mo gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni. Mo emphasize lórí pé I will comment my reserve. Mo kàn mọ́. ẹjọ́ toro lẹ́bàá mi kọ́ ṣé lọ́ọ̀yà gidi ni àbí researcher àbí lecturer ni máa yìí. Lecturer ni ìsú ó dẹ̀ ní opportunity àti lọ sí UK. Ó ní opportunity. Okay, is there àbí? Okay. Is a lawyer. JK is a lawyer and a lecturer. Ó dáa, a máa padà wá. Fámúyìwá àmọ́ bóyá máa bèèrè lọ Fámúyìwá pé ẹjọ́ tẹ́ máa ń sábà kọ́ Fámúyìwá wípé ṣé ó mọ ipe ṣé sátọ̀sì mú kí lorúkọ ènìyàn ṣòro ní UK pé ṣé ó ní kíní ẹ̀ ṣé ó ní dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì ẹ̀ because ó gbúdọ̀ ṣe dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì ẹ̀ fún ó gbúdọ̀ ṣe photocopy fún ẹjọ́ bá mi béèrè JK máa ń sábà kọ́ ẹjọ́ ó wà important irú kí nìyẹn a lecturer.
ìjọba ni kẹ́lí mọ̀ pé nǹkan kìí ṣe ìràwọ̀.
láyé ẹ̀mí kan kò lè ṣe é.
nígbà yẹn gan ṣe àwọn èèyàn wọn ti ń bá bàbá sọ lóríṣiríṣi bàbá sọ pé àwọn ò ṣe kí ni o àwọn ò gba lọ́ọ̀yà kankan lọ́wọ́ anybody wọn ní bàbá lágídí so ìgbà tó máa sọ pé bàbá ní àbúrò tó yẹ pé tó bá bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ń gbọ́ ni wọ́n fi tọ́ èmi wá ìgbà tó lè tọ́ èmi wá wọn ní kò sí nǹkan tó ń jọ pẹ̀lú because as at that time bàbá lọ́ọ̀yà tó ṣe iṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ó sì ń gbìyànjú síta rẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn kékeré àwọn nìkan náà kọ́ ni wọ́n sọ pé ó fẹ́ mú lọ́ọ̀yà wá a lot of people a lot of interest ni wọ́n fẹ́ mú lọ́ọ̀yà wá mo tẹ̀ sọ fún bàbá pé jẹ́ kí n sọ fún nǹkan fún yín o. lọ́ọ̀yà tẹ̀ tí kọ́kọ́ lè tẹ́tẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ìmọ̀ bí ẹ̀ ṣe rí bí ẹjọ́ bó bá ṣe lọ òun ló máa dé.
network wọn ja network.
pé tí ẹ̀ka bá gba lọ́ọ̀yà fún yín tó bá lọ.
network wọn ni.
fún yín tó bá lọ.
network wọn yẹn wọ́n ṣe bá.
nǹkan tó bá ti sọ nípa èyí kò lè bá ṣe kí ni èyí kò lè bá ṣe.
nẹ́tíwọ̀kì QH radio kò mi rò pé strong.
èyí kò lè bá ṣe meeting. so mo ní eléyìí ẹni tí.
network wọn ò kí ń strong lórí TikTok.
kí lorúkọ ẹni tí nǹkan tó jẹ́ kí n ṣètò pẹ̀lú àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà barrister Odúmọ̀sán ni pé mo gba nọ́mbà wọn mo bá barrister Odúmọ̀sán mo àjọ sọ̀rọ̀ owó ọmọ yẹn ó dùn àwọn so wọ́n sọ pé táwọn bá fẹ́ ṣe kíni táwọn bá fẹ́ gbégbèsè bí ká máa fún ọ ní 150 lọ́kọ̀ tí mi mo ní pẹ́ 150 yẹn àṣírí bò which is pé tọ́ba tí ẹ̀kan bá tẹ̀ dẹ̀ introduce lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn kọ́nà ló máa introduce yẹn kan sí yẹn àwa là ń san owó ẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé bóyá ẹ̀yàn kan ni ló ń san owó ẹ̀ so ó máa gbọ́rọ̀ sẹ́nu wa bíkọ́ torí pé àwa là ń san owó so ń gbàtà àdẹ̀ṣe ní ti pẹ̀lú wọn tí wọ́n sọ pé àwọn oníṣẹ́ bá ní Nàìjíríà àwọn yóò ní partners tí ó dé ó ṣe gbọ́n kan àní UK wọ́n ní because ọjọ́ tá a ṣe ní tìyẹn mo rí pé UK ni wọ́n ti ń pè wọ́n ní ẹgbẹ́ àwọn oníṣẹ́ bá Nàìjíríà pé àwọn ní ọ̀gá àwọn partner tó ṣe kí ni pé if need be ètò ọ̀rọ̀ bá dojú ẹ̀ gan pé àwọn máa ṣe kí ni àwọn yóò yọjú ní ọgbọ́n ké kò sí wàhálà má ṣe engage wọn nìyẹn ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ ibi ìyọ̀rìnàjò yẹn nígbà yẹn so ibi wọn ṣe wò kọ́mọ̀ bọ́ọ̀dù yẹn.
àgbọ̀ ìsà mo ń farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ dáadáa ni.
yà so bó ṣe kọ́mọ̀ bọ́ọ̀dù nìyẹn so wọ́n tó dé kọ́mọ̀ bọ́ọ̀dù àti ní fìdíẹ̀ díẹ̀ láti jẹ́ kí because lọ́ọ̀yà tí bàbá ló tẹ̀tẹ̀lẹ̀ àwọn náà sọ pé bàbá ò fún ọkọ̀ fún àwọn ìgbà kan àwọn èèyàn náà ó fún ọ pé kéyìí báyìí ló máa gbà àṣàṣọ̀tún àṣàṣọ̀sì àti san owó àwọn yẹn so àwọn náà ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣẹ́ nìyẹn. So the first kìíní tí àkọ́kọ́ máa ṣe ni pé ókè o wọ́n sọ fún wa láti ní CCTV bí ẹjọ́ yẹn bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ so because lọ́ọ̀yà tí bàbá ló tẹ̀tẹ̀lẹ̀ wọn ní gbogbo yẹn lọ́wọ́ nígbà tá a béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn àwọn ní kí la máa ń ṣe wọn ní ókè a máa sanwó láti lọ gba àwọn kìíní sí ilé ẹjọ́ ní àtẹ̀sanwó